Hello viewers, I'm Shivani. Hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to my channel. Your exams are just around the corner. आप सबने तो एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन ज़रूर स्टार्ट कर दिया होगा. Today I'm here with the MCQs of the first lesson of Flamingo, the English textbook for class 12th. Incidentally, the name of the first lesson is The Last Lesson. प्लीज़ आप सब लोग लेसन का नाम, पोम का नाम, पोएट का नाम, ऑथर का नाम ज़रूर याद कर लीजिए. सो हियर वी गो. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द ऑथर ऑफ द लेसन इज Pablo Neruda, Alphonse Daudet, A.R. Barton, William Douglas. So, which is the correct answer? The correct option is B, Alphonse Daudet. Now, the second question. The story is set during the day of Vietnam War, Second World War, Franco-Prussian War, Korean War. तो ये कहानी किस टाइम पर सेट की गई है? वियतनाम वॉर, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, फ्रैंको-प्रशियन वॉर और द कोरियन वॉर. सो रिमेंबर इज the third option, Franco-Prussian War. Third question, Prussia consisted of the present nations of Germany, dash and parts of. तो Prussia जो था वो अब तो टूट गया है. अब वो कौन से नेशन, आज के कौन से नेशंस से बना हुआ था? Germany, dash and parts of dash. So look at the options. Which is the right option? The first option, Poland and Austria. Poland and Austria. Fourth question is, Prussia was led by dash. तो Prussia को किसने लीड किया था वॉर में? हिटलर, मुसोलिनी, बिस्मार्क, none of the other. So which is the correct option? The third option, Bismarck. Now, fifth question. Alsace and Lorraine were dash districts. अब इस कहानी में Alsace and Lorraine के ऊपर ये कहानी है, वहाँ के लोगों के पर. सो ये कौन सी कंट्री के डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स थे? German, American, British or French? The correct answer is French. So you have to remember all these things. Please remember. The mother tongue of the people of Alsace is, Alsace के लोगों का mother tongue क्या है? मातृभाषा क्या है? French, Russian, Spanish, German. French, Russian, Spanish, German. The correct option is French. Then the next question, let's come to the next question. Alsace and Lorraine passed into dash hands. अब ये तो एक आपको पता है वॉर के टाइम की कहानी है. Alsace and Lorraine को किस कंट्री ने हरा दिया था? वो किस कंट्री के अंडर चला गया? French, Italian, Prussian, Spanish. French, Italian, Prussian, Spanish. The correct option is Prussian. Now the next question. France started for school dash that morning. Now the main character of the story is Franz, a small boy, a school boy. जिस दिन की ये कहानी है उस दिन फ्रांस स्कूल के लिए जल्दी गया, देर से गया. सो जस्ट लेट अस लुक एट द ऑप्शंस. वेरी अर्ली, वेरी लेट, एट द राइट टाइम, मच अर्लियर. तो कब उसने स्कूल के लिए स्टार्ट किया? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज वेरी लेट. नेक्स्ट, M. Hamel was going to take a test on dash. M. Hamel उनके टीचर का नाम है, फ्रांस के टीचर का नाम है. और फ्रांस लेट क्यों गया? क्योंकि उस दिन उसका एक टेस्ट था। तो एम हैमल किस चीज़ पर टेस्ट लेने वाला था? एडवर्ब्स, नाउन्स, क्लॉजेस, पार्टिसिपल्स। एडवर्ब्स, नाउन्स, क्लॉजेस, पार्टिसिपल्स। तो याद रखिए द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज पार्टिसिपल्स। तो एम हैमल पार्टिसिपल्स पर टेस्ट लेने वाले थे, इसलिए फ्रांस का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था उस दिन स्कूल जाने के लिए। दैट्स व्हाई ही स्टार्टेड वेरी लेट फॉर स्कूल। नेक्स्ट, फ्रांस थॉट ऑफ स्पेंडिंग द डे डैश। तो उसका मन तो था नहीं, तो व्हाट डिड ही थिंक ऑफ doing? Number 1, spending the day. 1, outdoors, at home, with friends, shopping. तो उसने क्या सोचा वो क्या करेगा उस दिन? So he thought of spending the day outdoors. That's the correct option. 12th, dash soldiers were drilling at the back of courtyard. Dash soldiers. Now, you know, Alsace and Lorraine was defeated in war. So, which soldiers were drilling at the back of the courtyard? American, French, Prussian, Korean. कौन से soldiers थे? The correct answer is Prussian. So, they were Prussian soldiers. Next, when Franz passed the town hall, he saw a big crowd in front of the town hall. के सामने से जब वो गुजरा तो उसने देखा एक भीड़ लगी हुई है। कहाँ? किसके सामने? बुलेटिन बोर्ड, ब्लैक बोर्ड, चर्च, हॉस्पिटल। Which is the correct option? बुलेटिन बोर्ड। बुलेटिन बोर्ड के सामने सारे लोग खड़े हुए थे। बुलेटिन बोर्ड पे कुछ लिखा हुआ था। दे वर ऑल रीडिंग दैट। फॉर द लास्ट 2 years all the bad news had come from the dash. तो 2 साल से वॉर चल रहा था, तो सारे जो बैड न्यूज़ थे वो कहाँ से आते थे? कहाँ से उनको पता लगता था? न्यूज़पेपर्स, रेडियोज़, टीवी, बुलेटिन बोर्ड। तो वो विच इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर? बुलेटिन बोर्ड। तो उस ज़माने में रेडियो टीवी वगैरह तो थे नहीं, तो बुलेटिन बोर्ड पे लिखा जाता था सब कुछ और लोग वहाँ जाके पढ़ लेते थे। सो सिंस द वॉर वॉज गोइंग ऑन एंड दे यूज्ड टू गेट ओनली द बैड न्यूज़ फ्रॉम देयर। यूजुअली व्हेन स्कूल बिगैन देयर वॉज अ डैश। जब स्कूल स्टार्ट होता था तो क्या होता था उस टाइम? A great bustle, pin drop silence, no noise, none. A great bustle, pin drop silence, no noise, none. तो स्कूल स्टार्ट होते वक्त क्या होता था? Which is the correct option? A great bustle. बहुत हल्ला होता था, बहुत आवाज़ होती थी। किसका स्कूल? फ्रांस का स्कूल। The school was as quiet as dash that morning. तो उस दिन सुबह the school was as quiet as dash morning. Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Saturday morning, Sunday morning. So किस दिन स्कूल quiet होता है? Sunday morning. Nobody is in the school, so it's very quiet. Next is Franz was dashed to enter the class. Now remember, he was late, so he was dashed to enter the class. Frightened, embarrassed, angry. Both A and B. So which is the correct option? Both A and B. He was frightened of M. Hamel. And he was embarrassed too. M. Hamel behaved dash. So Franz was late. So do you think M. Hamel scolded him, got angry, or he was kind? So the options are kindly, rudely, angrily, harshly. So M. Hamel behaved kindly. Kindly is the right option. M. Hamel was wearing his beautiful dash. Now, this is also important to remember. What was he wearing on that day? M. Hamel was wearing his beautiful green coat, blue coat, black coat, green jacket. So, what was he wearing? He was wearing a green coat. Please remember, green coat. M. Hamel wore his green coat, frilled shirt, and embroidered cap only on or to dash. तो ये M. Hamel ये ड्रेसेस कब पहनता था? Green coat, frilled shirt, embroidered cap. He used to wear it on inspection days, prize days, school, both A and B. So he used to wear it on both A and B, inspection days and prize days. So M. Hamel inspection days और prize days पर ये ड्रेस पहनते थे. Next, most surprising thing was dash was or were sitting on the last benches. So सबसे हैरानी की चीज़ क्या थी? Last benches पर कौन बैठे हुए थे? The students, the teachers, the villagers, no one. तो उस दिन कौन बैठे हुए थे last benches पर? The correct option is the villagers. Dash had brought an old primer. तो उस दिन old primer लेके कोई स्कूल आया था. वो कौन था? Hauser, former mayor, former postmaster और Franz. कौन लेकर आया था old primer? So it was Hauser. So you know that day the villagers had come to school and they were sitting on the last benches, please remember. And Hauser was an old man who had brought a primer with him. M. Hamel mounted a chair and declared that he would teach them the dash French lesson. तो M. Hamel चेयर पे खड़े हो गए और उन्होंने क्या डिक्लेयर किया कि वो फर्स्ट लेसन पढ़ाने वाले हैं, लास्ट लेसन पढ़ाने वाले हैं, सेकेंड या थर्ड लेसन पढ़ाने वाले हैं. So what should it be? The name of the lesson is the last lesson. Obviously, he was going to teach the last lesson. So last is the correct option. Order had come from dash to teach dash in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. तो कहीं से ऑर्डर आया था कि अल्जास एंड लोरेन में अब ये वाली भाषा पढ़ाई जाएगी. तो कहाँ से वो ऑर्डर आया था और कौन सी भाषा पढ़ाई जाने वाली थी? बर्लिन एंड जर्मन, इंग्लैंड एंड इंग्लिश, बर्लिन, फ्रेंच, इटली, इटालियन. So the correct option is Berlin, German. So the order had come from Berlin to teach German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. That is why M. Hamel said that he was going to teach the last French lesson. M. Hamel's words were like thunderclap for France. Thunderclap means जैसे ही फ्रांस ने सुना कि M. Hamel लास्ट लेसन ऑफ फ्रेंच पढ़ाने वाले हैं तो उस पर मानो थंडर क्लैप का इफेक्ट हुआ. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड थंडर क्लैप? समथिंग गुड, शॉकिंग एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड, सूथिंग, both A and C. So guess what it should be? Yes, it is shocking and unexpected. Franz had never thought that it was going to be his last lesson of French on that day. For Franz, books were a nuisance, burden, friend, both A and B. अब फ्रांस के लिए बुक्स कैसे थे? A nuisance, a burden, friends. He was very happy with the books, both A and B. So it's both A and B. He considered them as nuisance and burden. Franz used to be dash off to M. Hamel. Scared, friendly, close, both B and C. So which is the correct option? The correct option is scared. Franz used to be scared of M. Hamel. He used to be very scared of his teacher. In honor of the last lesson, M. Hamel had put on his dash, fine Sunday clothes, grey suit, t-shirt, jacket. Now, M. Hamel लास्ट लेसन ऑफ फ्रेंच पढ़ाने वाले थे, तो इसके ऑनर में उन्होंने क्या पहना उस दिन? Yes, the first option is correct. Fine Sunday clothes. So he wore his fine Sunday clothes. Sunday clothes, the clothes that he used to wear to the church. His best clothes that he used to wear to the church. And also on the inspection day, just now we had read about, just now there was a question on it. And remember when he wore that dress on inspection day and on prize days and on Sundays to church. The villagers wanted to thank M. Hamel for his dash years of service. For how many years of service? कितने सालों से M. Hamel वहाँ पढ़ा रहे थे? So the villagers wanted to thank him. That's why they had come to the class. 20 years, 30 years, 40 years or 10 years. The correct option is 40 years. He had been teaching there for 40 years. M. Hamel said that trouble with dash was she puts off learning for tomorrow. M. Hamel ने क्या कहा? किसके साथ ये ट्रबल है कि वो हमेशा पढ़ाई नेक्स्ट डे के लिए छोड़ देते हैं? Most of the children do that. Most of us, we do it. We put it off for the next day. So, what should be the correct option? The girls, Alsace, Berlin, Germany. The correct option is Alsace. He said, Alsace के लोग जो हैं वो learning next day के लिए छोड़ देते हैं, टाल देते हैं. According to M. Hamel, everyone pretended to be dash, but could neither speak nor write their own language. तो हर कोई तो दिखाता था कि वो क्या है, पर वो ना तो अपना लैंग्वेज लिख सकता था ठीक से, ना बोल सकता था. So what should it be? Frenchmen, Englishmen, Germans, none of the above. So the correct option is Frenchmen. They were all French. Parents prefer to send their children to dash than to send them to dash. Parents अपने बच्चों को कहाँ भेजना ज़्यादा पसंद करते थे और कहाँ नहीं भेजते थे? Work, school, school, work, school, parks, college, school. So which is the correct option? Yes, the first one, work, school. Parents preferred to send their children to work than to send them to school. So they wanted to send their children to work to earn money. They were not very rich, so they did not give much importance to school. So they used to send the children to work. काम पे भेजते थे जिससे कि घर पे पैसा आए. पढ़ाई पर वो ज़्यादा importance नहीं देते थे. M. Hamel had often sent children to dash instead of learning. और M. Hamel भी इसमें हिस्सेदार हैं. उन्होंने भी बहुत सिंसेरिटी से नहीं पढ़ाया. कभी कभी वो भी गलती करते थे. वो बच्चों को कहाँ भेजते थे? द लाइब्रेरी, वाटर द प्लांट्स, मार्केट, होम. कभी कभी M. Hamel उनको कहीं भेजते थे. कौन सी जगह थी वो? तो जगह तो नहीं थी, पर कुछ काम करने को भेजते थे. It was to water the plants. तो पढ़ाने के बजाय वो पौधों में पानी देने के लिए बच्चों को भेज देते थे. M. Hamel had often sent children to water the plants instead of learning. When M. Hamel went for dash, he just gave a holiday. और कभी कभी M. Hamel कहीं जाते थे और उस दिन वो स्कूल में छुट्टी कर देते थे. So what was it? Fishing, hunting, swimming, boating. So the correct option is fishing. M. Hamel had brought dash for them. उस दिन M. Hamel कुछ अपने साथ लेकर आए थे. What was it? It was books, pens, new copies, sweets. The correct option is new copies. He had brought new copies for them. It was the last day, so he had brought new copies. That day, Franz listened to the lessons carefully, not carefully, attentively, both A and C. Now it was the last lesson. तो उस दिन फ्रांस ने ध्यान से सुना या नहीं सुना? So the correct option is both A and C. He listened to the lessons carefully and attentively. Then Franz dash tell the rules of the participles. Could not, did not, didn't want to. So फ्रांस को जब पूछा गया participles के बारे में, he was asked a question. Was he able to do it? No, he got confused. He could not tell the rules of the participles. Please remember, he got confused. According to M. Hamel, dash was the clearest, logical, and the most beautiful language of the world. So according to him, which language was the most beautiful language, clearest and logical language of the world? French, English, German, Spanish. Yes, the correct option is French. Everyone was dash for not having learned their mother tongue. Happy, regretful, indifferent, relieved. So everyone was what? They were regretful. उनको बहुत पछतावा हो रहा था because now they were not going to learn French, they were going to learn German. तो उनको बहुत पछतावा हो रहा था कि उन्होंने अपने मदर टंग को नहीं सीखा है ठीक से. And French was their mother tongue. Mother tongue of the enslaved people is dash to their prison. Mother tongue of the enslaved people is dash to their prison. Lock, way, key, both A and C. जो मदर टंग होता है वो प्रिजन का एक क्या होता है? लॉक होता है कि प्रिजन की तरफ का रास्ता होता है, की होता है, या बोथ A and C? It is the key. It unites the people and helps them to fight against their enemy to get freedom. So it is the key. Human tendency of dash is conveyed in the story. तो इस स्टोरी में क्या बताया गया है? हम ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी, एक कोई ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी के बारे में इस स्टोरी में बताया गया, कन्वे किया गया है. ब्रेवरी, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, बीइंग हेल्पफुल, बोथ A and B. So the correct answer is procrastination. Procrastination means जब हम काम टाल देते हैं, हम काम सोचते हैं बाद में करेंगे, अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, बाद में करेंगे. Similarly, the people of Alsace and Lorraine thought there's a lot of time, they'll learn French later on. So they had procrastinated. उन्होंने टाल मटोल करी फ्रेंच सीखने में. Right? So therefore, students, do not procrastinate. Start preparing for exams now, right from today, if you haven't done it yet. Please share the video, send your comments, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. We'll be back with another video very soon. Take care. Bye.